I'm Susan. Today is another Muffin Monday, and this one was a really good one. It is a chocolate chip muffin, and it was really moist. It's almost like eating cake. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, spooned and leveled, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, 1 3/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 eggs at room temperature, 3/4 cup of sour cream at room temperature, a half a cup of vegetable oil, a half a cup of whole milk, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of pure vanilla.
I have my oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to whisk the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips together in a large bowl. Then I'll set that aside. I've already lined my muffin tin with the cupcake liners, and this recipe makes 14 muffins. Now I'm going to whisk the eggs, sour cream, oil, milk, and vanilla together until combined. I found this recipe online, and the website is Sally's Baking Recipes, and she has some good-looking recipes that I'm anxious to try. And my family has really been enjoying these Muffin Mondays, and that's usually like our, I guess, brunch for the day when I make these. Now you want to pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and just fold it together with a rubber spatula. You do not want to overmix this, so you don't want to whisk it. You just want to kind of fold it in. Now you want to spoon your batter into your liners, and I love using this ice cream scoop. And you want it to completely fill up. Like I said, this made 14 muffins, so I'm really happy about that. Now you want to bake these at the 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you want to reduce your oven to 350 degrees, leaving your muffins in there for another 15 to 16 minutes. After a toothpick comes out clean, you'll want to let these cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack ready to eat. And here they are. Like I said, these were so good. It was like eating cake. My family really enjoyed them, and they definitely told me to keep these on the list to make again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.